Everyone, I want to talk about this VEVOR Kitchen Knife Set. This was given to me to check out, so I wanted to thank VEVOR for sending it to me. Really cool knife set. We got to use it, and first thing that comes to mind is it's super sharp. It's laser sharpened. I'm going to pull out just each knife, and then you can kind of see what we're looking at here. So if you want to come in close here. Again, these are laser sharpened. This is German high carbon stainless steel. I'm going to pull out each one here and kind of show you really quickly. This is the 7-inch Japanese knife. This is the 8-inch chef knife right here. We have the 8-inch carving knife, 8-inch sharpening rod. I'll show you quickly how I sharpen with that. You also have your 5-inch utility knife, your 3.5-inch paring knife, 8-inch serrated knife for cutting bread, things of that type. Comes with 6 of these steak knives. Everything has its own place. You also have some kitchen scissors if you want to use that for cutting. Again, super sharp. I'm going to use this 8-inch chef knife to cut into this grapefruit here. You can see in the video that I have playing now that we use it for ham. Also use it to carve or cut some chicken. And these are super sharp and work really well. So you can see that just sliced through very easily. Really nice sharp blades. I was trying to get a really thin slice there. But very nice kitchen knife set, comfortable handle. These are dishwasher safe, rust resistant, and will be a good addition to any KitchenAid with this block here. Oh, also I wanted to show you how they recommend sharpening it. And this is the sharpening rod right here. So basically what I do and what I've been taught to do is, this is 45 degrees. If you go from here to here, it's 45 degrees. If you cut that in half, it's about 22.5 degrees. Then you go a little less like that, and then a little less than 22.5. So you go here, and you can go down and get that blade if you go on both sides. Takes a little bit of practice, but that's a good way to keep these blades sharp. But again, these are laser sharpened and have a really nice blade on them right now. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.